Hello, this is novaTopFlex, and in this video I'm going to explain how to use, with source code examples, tkinter.ttk.Treeview in the Python programming language. Please note that the syntax in Python is different from the syntax in TCL-Tickle or tk-Ticklet. So you have TCL-TK, which is what tkinter is based on in Python. And then you have TTK, which is extensions. TTK is extensions to the tkinter. It's based on the extensions in TCL-TK. We used to have TIX, TIX for extensions. Now it's TTK. TIX is only in legacy. I don't know if it's pre-2010 or how old applications. But nowadays we use TTK. And then Treeview. Treeview is where you could have different features. Like in my demonstration here, it might look like just a list with columns or just a table. But the Treeview component is you can expand. In my demonstration, it's the United Kingdom can be expanded and Denmark can be expanded. So in this, you may or may not understand, because this is actually probably a simplification to some extent, especially with some countries more than others, because obviously I cannot fit in every possible history and every distinct heritage in any of these nations. But the source code on the right, and then if you know how the source code on the right is compatible with the text on the left, feel free to tell me in the comments. But you will see that I have a lot of tree.insert, tree.set. Now, insert, you can insert rows. You can insert them as children of a parent. You can also insert them as parent rows themselves. Now, the triangles. So this is how you're going to open a parent. Now, you cannot see the cursor, but I have opened and closed the parent. And same now with Denmark. But yes, you could also do different navigation. In my demonstration, it's based on language and other cultural and characteristical and even geographical patterns. Like you'll see different, and I'm so sorry that this had to be cut off. It's supposed to say Celtic, Anglo-Norman, Anglo-Saxon. But overall, this is typically what you could expect to see with the different features of this. If you like this type of content and would like to learn more, feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, and try to hack the YouTube algorithm. And thanks for watching. Signing off.